as you can see from the first snippet, I am making some brownies. I am going to show you the ingredients that I'm using, and then you can watch me make the brownie. I'll be leaving all of the description down below, so if you want to make them yourselves, you're more than welcome to. I'm also going to probably pop them up on the screen to help you guys out as well. If you have any questions, just drop a comment and I'm happy to respond to you. Make some brownies with me. So I have been baking before, so I'm still a little bit messy from that. So I have all my ingredients here and hopefully all my utensils that I need, apart from one that's been washed. So I've got my chocolate powder, plain flour, corn flour, chocolate chips to go in it, baking, it was meant to be baking soda but I don't have any, so I've swapped it out for baking powder. It hopefully will work the same. Got some vanilla extract, salt, oil, sugar, and this is nearly empty, so I've got the extra butter under here, my measuring things, my whisk, bowl, and then I need to grab some eggs out of here when I am ready for the eggs. I start off by grabbing my bowl and my butter. I weigh out 5 tablespoons. I then put this in the microwave to melt. While this is melting, I grab my caster sugar. I also grab my cup to measure it out. I will measure 1 1/4 cup and place this into a bowl. Once my butter is melted, I will place this into the bowl with the sugar. Grab my whisk and stir this all together until combined. Once this is all mixed in, I will grab my eggs. I will put 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk into the mixture, followed by grabbing my vanilla extract and put around 1 teaspoon of this into the mixture. I will proceed to then mix this all in together. Once this is mixed, I will grab my oil and put 1/3 cup of oil into the mixture. Grabbing my cocoa powder, I will then put in 3/4 cup into the bowl. Now grabbing a wooden spoon instead of my whisk, I will fold this in together gently. I will give this a good mix around together and then grab my plain flour. Grabbing my plain flour, I will do 1/2 cup and put this into the mixture, followed by 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Throwing in a little bit of a pinch of salt, and now proceeding to mix that all together with the wooden spoon still. I will mix this until all combined, and the last step of the mixture is grabbing my chocolate chips. I did 50 grams of milk chocolate chips and 50 grams of white chocolate chips. I will grab my baking tray and spray some oil onto this. I then get baking paper to be able to place this into the tray to help it from not sticking. Now the baking tray is ready, I then proceed to pour my mixture and even it all out in the tray. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees. I then leave this to cook for 40 minutes, and before taking it out, I do like to double check it is cooked in the centre. I then leave this in the tray to cool for around 5 to 10 minutes. After having some leftover chocolate, I decided to use this and drizzle it over the top of my brownies. I'll also leave this to cool just for a little before proceeding to cut my brownies into nice little sections. And then here you have it, your brownies.